Hey everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how to ghost ping in Discord. That's when you ping someone, but the message disappears right after, leaving only the notification. It's mostly used for fun or pranks, but remember, don't use it to spam or harass others. Let's keep things friendly. Alright, here's how it works. First, open Discord and head into any server where you have permission to send messages. Now type a mention, like username, and send the message. As soon as it sends, quickly delete it by hovering over the message, clicking the 3 dots, and hitting delete. The person you pinged will still get a notification saying they were mentioned, but when they click it, the message will be gone. That's the ghost. Ping. You can also ghost ping entire roles. Just type in everyone or a role name, send it, then delete it right away. Keep in mind, some Discord bots or admins may log deleted messages, so if you're in a heavily moderated server, be careful. If you want to have some harmless fun with your friends, this can be a quick trick. And that's it. That's how ghost pinging works in Discord. Hope this helped. Like and subscribe for more Discord tips.